Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to cook a special pizza which is called calzone. Calzone is a kind of pizza which is stuffed and it's folded, so it's not a rounded pizza, it's just half pizza but stuffed. This video is the third one of a series of 3 videos about Ardore. Well, actually this is part 1 because I'm going to shoot extra 3 videos, but I'm going to talk about that later. The reason why I choose the calzone is because calzone is the trickiest pizza ever, especially if cooked in a so small oven. And the reason is because this pizza can get burnt easily, especially at the bottom, or alternatively the dough doesn't get cooked properly, and this is very bad because we can't really eat raw dough. Let's stress the Ardore oven with a very hard pizza to make. Okay guys, I'm stretching pizza, and please know that I'm crushing the crust, I'm crushing the cornicione. I don't really care about that because this isn't a rounded pizza, so we don't really need to make a crust. Anyway, the dough you see is a 24 hours fermented dough, 65% hydration. This is some buffalo ricotta. I also added just a little bit of milk to make it more creamy because the buffalo ricotta is very hard unless you keep out from fridge 3 hours before, but this is not the case. So I'm spreading the ricotta cheese just on half of pizza because then we are folding the pizza, so we don't need to stuff the full pizza. Then half spoon of tomato passata, and then with another spoon melting together just to make it a sort of unique topping. After that I'm gonna add some mozzarella. In the original recipe there also is some salami or pepperoni. I didn't have any of this, so I simplified the recipe. This is the usual mix of parmigiano, parmesan and pecorino romano cheese, just to give the special flavor. And then finally I'm gonna add some black pepper. The black pepper makes the difference, believe me. Now it's time to fold it. Some pizzaiolo, some pizza makers use a fork just to seal pizza, but we don't really need that if we close it in a certain way, the way I'm showing you now. So I use my fingers just to seal everywhere. And now we are making a big smile. This is the same technique for a kind of calzone called panzerotto, which is typical of Puglia, which is a southern Italian region, the back of the hill. And they fry this kind of pizza, which is very good. Okay, now there's a news, and it's my new pizza paddle, which is a wooden pizza paddle. Amazing, I really love it. It's a special one because pizza can slide easily, even pizzas with high hydration, so I'm talking about 70%, 80%. The important trick in this case is adding a lot of flour on the pizza paddle, but bear in mind would be better adding some semolina because the regular flour, the plain flour, once gets burned it becomes bitter and makes the pizza bitter, especially the bottom. Okay, I'm also adding some tomato on top, but just a little bit, otherwise the pizza doesn't get cooked well. Just a little bit of mozzarella and then some oil. Okay, let's move to my fantastic Ardore oven. And here we go, have you seen? Super easy, pizza got in easily. You see the smoke? It's quite normal, it's because of the flour that moved from the paddle, pizza paddle, to the pizza oven. But it's very important to keep in mind that this flour is not sticking to the bottom of the pizza. I'll show you that later. So the trick in this case would be cooking pizza the first 30 seconds just to make sure that the bottom is well cooked, and then keep going by keeping pizza on the small paddle. In this way I'll make sure to move pizza closer to the top where the flame is. And bear in mind, this isn't possible with other ovens such as Uni or Rockbox, because the flame is on the back, it's not on the top. And so that's why it would be impossible to cook it properly. And you see, I'm quickly cooking it. It's not burning. I'm really surprised. So the stress test is maybe working. Let's wait a few seconds more. And here we go. So less than 90 seconds. Super tasty pizza. Smoking pizza. This is my smoking gun. Here we go. I'm gonna show you pizza. I'm gonna cut it. First of all, I'm going to show the bottom. So sorry, I had to boost the lightings of this video because unfortunately that day was very sunny, and so it seems that some areas of the bottom got burned, but it's not like that, it's just the shadow. Okay, now it's time to cut it. I look forward to show you how it looks like inside. So in theory this is a vegetarian-ish pizza because there's no salami, so it's suitable for vegetarians. Good. Okay, so this is the inside, and now after a long time I'm going to test the pizza. I'm going to show you how it tastes, but just virtually. In the meantime, I'd like to remind you to enroll my pizza class on Udemy. Enroll now! Okay, this is my pizza test. Guys, it's amazing. The taste is super, I think, Ardore one. Okay guys, see you next time. Hey, where are you going? I was just joking. So, like this video to watch more, leave a comment, subscribe my channel, ring the bell to activate the notifications, enroll my pizza class on Udemy, link in the description. Follow me on Instagram as Gigio Pizza, on Facebook as Runaway Dough, and use the hashtag Gigio Pizza when you publish your pizzas. See you next time!